Hello everyone, on today's video we're going to be doing another unboxing. Crazy. This time it'll be a ThredUp 15 pair of shoe box, so if that sounds interesting, just stay tuned. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I go by MSAWEBB on all platforms. They'll be linked down below. And I am a reseller on Poshmark, Mercari, eBay, as well as Etsy. So on this channel, you will find everything dealing with reselling, from what's sold to unboxings to thrift hauls and some tips and tricks along the way. So if all that sounds good to you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you can come back and see more of my videos. Okay, so today's video is a ThredUp unboxing. I know, another unboxing. So I'm pretty sure this is the last ThredUp unboxing for a while. I've just not had a good run with them. I'll link the playlist above and you can see the last two ThredUp boxes I did. And you know, also I just need to quit. I have so much stuff to list right now and I don't want to not go to the thrift store because that's kind of like my therapy, you know, on the weekends, especially after a long day of my 9 to 5. Long day of my 9 to 5. Well, yeah, but a long week of my 9 to 5. And, you know, I don't want to feel guilty about going to the thrift store. And especially don't want to hear from my husband when he's like, I thought you said you weren't going to get more inventory until you listed all the other inventory. And I'm like, hush, you're not a part of this. So it's actually quite early in the morning filming this. So, because I'm having to do a lot of my reselling work on the weekends and early in the morning and after work. I'm working a lot right now. My 9 to 5, as I've said in another video, is not really 9 to 5 anymore. It's kind of crazy hours. I mean, I do it from the comfort of my home in pajama pants, but still, it's a lot of work and it can be very emotionally draining. But I still want to keep up my reselling because I love it. And so anyway, so that's what I have to do to keep reselling. Anyway, so that is not why we're here. You are here. I am here to show you this latest ThredUp box. So I placed this order on July 30th. It arrived yesterday, which is August 12th when I'm filming this video. So that is almost 2 weeks for it to get here. So I paid $90 flat because everything on their rescues, if any rescue is $79 or above, it's free shipping. I think free shipping on their, you know, regular ThredUp section, like just buying items, is I think it's like $59 and up is free shipping. It's lower, but you know, for rescue boxes, it's $79. And the box has 15 pairs of shoes, so that is $6 a pair of shoes. And this box came from Arizona, Phoenix, Arizona, which is cool. I get a lot of boxes from Duluth, Georgia, because it's close to me, so I like to see boxes from other places. Okay, so let's get into this box and see what I got. All right. Okay, so got the tissue paper, which I do reuse, so that's good. Okay, I do see something exciting. It looks, well, actually, you really can't tell with this brand. It's a brand I've never found before, but I love this brand, and I've always wanted a pair of them, so if they're my size, I'll wait. But anyway, so these right here are a pair of pointy toe flats, and they're just like, you know, got this back ankle strap, and they are by A New Day, which is at Target. They don't look like they've ever been worn, and they're a size 7, which I wear a 7, 7.5. So, you know, if these don't go for anything, I will most likely keep these for myself. Okay, so they're like not good things here on top, but so this is a pair of Gap shoes. They are a size 5, so that's pretty small. Got some wear here on the bottom, and yeah, so they are the Blue Galaxy slip-ons. I'll have to ask my friend what size her daughter wears. Maybe she would like some sparkly rainbow shoes. Okay, So that's 2. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead. So I'm gonna go ahead and show this very, very exciting thing. So these are a pair of Freebirds. That's exciting. So I have never found this brand. And I've always wanted to find it. I actually look at their website quite often because I want a pair of these. And here are a pair, and they are a size 8. I could make that work. I could make that work. Oh Lord. But these are not really the style that I want in Freebird. I want the boots. So these will go up in my closet for sure. And I know this looks very worn, but if you know this brand, that is most likely factory made, because that's just the style. And they have not a lot of wear on the bottom. I mean, they've definitely been worn, but that's good shape. So Freebirds, that's exciting. I love that. Might be, oh God, might be the, so I was trying to find a match to this pair, and I got like a look of a lot of the items in the box. That might be the best thing I got, but we'll see. So this is Time and True. It's just a wedge sandal. Time and True is sold at Target. These are also a size 7. So this is what I noted in the last 2 women's unboxings, is that the same brands and sizes are coming in these boxes. So as you know, ThredUp is getting a lot of inventory lately, and they say they're short on staff. So they're just getting this flood of boxes from people because selling on ThredUp has gotten very popular, especially with resellers. And I really think they're opening boxes and just dumping what they're not going to accept in a rescue box. So you're getting all items from the same person. I really do, because I mean, this is the same size as those other Target shoes. So I don't know. All right. So here we have a pair of Massimo shoes. Massimo was sold at Target. I think it might not be anymore, but it was. Size 8. The bottoms are good, but the heels, I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see that. Looks like they've been chewed on by a dog. Oh yeah, and then there's some wear here on the side. So I likely will not list these. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, probably not. Okay. These look interesting. Okay, so a pair of Converse. But they are the animal print, which is very popular. And the bottom looks pretty good, so that's exciting. Yeah, and these are a size 7. It's a women's 9, men's 7. Yeah, that's what I was about to say. I was like, you gotta be careful about Converse because they have both sizes on them. Yeah, so there you go. Those are cute. I'll put those up. I don't really ever pick up Converse here around my thrift store because they're generally really worn and they're just the common black and white colorway, so I don't pick them up. So next are these pair of slip-ons or slide-ons. They are white and have this bow detail. So I'm not seeing a brand or a size. So they're a size 10, but it does not have a brand. All it says is made in China. So yeah, not sure. We'll see. Probably not, because it doesn't have a brand, but okay. Well, we got those Freebirds, so that's exciting. But okay, so here's a pair of Jack Rogers. They're worn though. They're a pair of orange slide-on sandals. They're not like the worst pair of Jack Rogers I've ever seen. I have a worse pair currently in my closet because it was like the first pair I ever found. And, you know, you tend to pick up that first pair of, or first item of a brand. You know, I don't know. It just happens. So I probably will put these up in my closet. What size are these? Made in Mexico. No. Oh. God, that looks like somebody wrote that in a pen. But yeah, it says a 9. So that looks about right. Oh, these were sold at TJ Maxx. Okay. But anyway, yeah, I will put those up. Okay, and then we have a pair of wedges, and they are Calvin Klein. Really good inside, but they've definitely been worn. They have scuffing. Let's see, do they have a size? I don't see a size. Doesn't mean there's not one. It just means it might be hidden. But not a bad style. Just a nude sandal. They do look pretty small though. Like, where's those 5s? Like, yeah, these look really small. So anyway, I can't see the size, but you know, they look small. All right, so these are Dex Flex comfort shoes, and they are a wedge, Mary Jane style. They are a size 8. I'm not sure where these are sold or the comps, because I see these a lot, but I don't pick them up. So I guess this is a good way for me to take the time to look at them to see what they sell for. I'm going to assume not a lot because they're all man-made materials, but we'll see. Okay, these look interesting. They're a suede boot with like beads on them, kind of like very moccasin style. They are, oh, House of Harlow. Okay, cool. I've heard of this brand. I've never found it. They're a cute style though. What size are they? 7.5, my size. But yeah, I'm not really sure how well this brand, what this brand goes for, because I've never found it before. I've definitely heard people talk about it on Poshmark. Well, not on Poshmark, but you know, on people who sell on Poshmark on Instagram and YouTube. But yeah, so I'll look these up. Okay, then we have another pair of Old Navy. These are a 9.5. They're very simple slide on. They are new with tags. Let's see if they have a retail price on them. No, but they're Old Navy, so most likely they were like on sale for, you know, $5 or something. So anyway, okay. Only 2 more pair after this one. These are a pair of Fergalicious heels, size 10. Yeah, so the heel again has a lot of wear. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, they are just like a basic nude, so they might still do okay, but I don't pick up Fergalicious shoes. Okay, so here's a pair of Vince Camuto heels. Am I saying that right? Camuto? Vince Camuto. So I picked this brand up when I first started reselling because, you know, I ain't from the South and a lot of people wear it. And I know it retails for a lot, but it doesn't resell for that much usually. But these are cute. They're like a suede navy blue with this buckle with the Vince Camuto symbol on it or logo on it. What size are these? These are size 8.5, which is a good size. They do have some wear, but I think they clean up nicely. I will definitely put these up. These are a good fall heel or a work heel that people might not be using these days, but still. All right, one item left. Okay, and they are J. Jill. And they are just a flat, pointy toe, slide on in this kind of taupe color. They are a size 7. And yeah, I'll definitely put these up because they look to be in decent condition. Not a bad box. There's definitely some great shoes in here. I'm really excited about the Freebirds. I'm actually pretty glad. I'm glad they're not what I want in Freebirds because I would keep them, and they're the best item in the box. So glad that they are not a boot, because if they were, I'd most likely keep them. Okay, so this was a pretty decent box. I'm happy to end on this note. This cleared my ThredUp palette. I don't feel the need to order another one currently. They might get me with a designer box or something. Not one like the accessory one that I got. I'll link that above. Not like that. But another designer box I might try out because I have not gotten one before. if I happen to be on the site and it's there. But I think I'm good on the standard shoes, handbags, and women's box. For sure, I'm good. All right, guys. So, hope you enjoyed that ThredUp video since it will be my last for a while. I think, you know, I don't have any willpower. But anyway, if you did enjoy that unboxing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and hit the bell notification so you can come back to my channel. So even though I'm not going to do ThredUp boxes, hopefully for a while, I do have a lot of unboxings on my channel and some coming up. So, you know, I'll go ahead and link the playlist above for you guys. But I hope to see you guys back on this channel. Let me know down below how you've been doing with ThredUp if you order their rescue boxes. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.